This is the Palram-Canopia Glory, the 8-foot wide series. Same build whether you bought the 8x8, the 12, the 16, or the 20, only the length changes. Before you start, open the boxes and check every part against the parts list. Palram's own manual says this is a two-person job and to allow at least half a day. And sort the mounting base first. It has to be flat, level, and square because everything above it depends on that. Here is what you need: work gloves, a spirit level and a tape measure, a drill with 7 and 10 millimeter bits, wrenches in 7, 10, and 11 millimeter, a Phillips and a flat screwdriver, scissors, silicone. And a stepladder because the Glory is tall enough that you will want one. This first stage is the base frame. Take your time here and check it is square corner to corner before you go any further. If you are setting it on a slab, Palram asks for at least 2 inches of foundation showing on every side. Gloves on for the panels, the edges, and the extruded aluminum can catch you. And watch the panels themselves. Peel the film off both sides, and any panel stamped this side out has to face outward, or you lose the UV protection. The Glory uses 10 millimeter twin-wall polycarbonate on the roof and the walls, rated to a snow load of about 20 pounds per square foot. Palram's manual asks you to clear snow off the roof in good time so a dangerous load cannot build up. In our climate, that is not optional. Anchor it properly. The Glory is rated to 100 km/h wind, but only when it is fixed down to a solid base. And Palram's manual is blunt about this. Anchoring is required for your warranty to be valid. Skipping it is the most common regret we hear. Full instructions come in the box, and you can download the manual free anytime from the product page on our website. If anything arrives missing or damaged, use the parts and warranty form there too. And if you're still working out which size fits your yard, come and find us at Canada-Greenhouse-Kits and start a live chat. A real person will help you. Helping Canadians grow since 2007.